over here we saw some bird nest up in our balcony, and then we thought to buy something for the bird, and it's a bird feeder. And today we will be showing you some things to do on Earth Day. And something I have to tell you. Is there something different from me and Ashra? Can you tell what's different? I'm wearing glasses! I told you guys I was going to get glasses. They're black and white. The front is black and the back is white.
You see this and then glasses like this.
And I love those glasses so much. And if you do, just tell me. Tell me if you like them. And not. So today, we're going to be showing you some things to do on Earth Day to help the Earth. So, let's get on to the video. Come on, guys. The bird food and the bird feeder. Let's put the bird food inside the feeder. Okay, I love the birds. Don't you love the birds, Ashra?
Yep.
They make lots of noise, but they make lots of fun noise, right?
Yeah. Is in there?
Yeah, I love taking care of the birds, right?
Yeah. It's so in there.
The birds.
Hey, come.
So guys, we got our all bird feeder right, and we wanted to hang it right up there because they're from bird nest. If you could see, there's one bird nest, and I think birds need food, so we're giving them food, but we're gonna hang it up. So guys, the bird feeder is right up there, and the birds will enjoy the food that we gave them. So I hope the birds come.
Yeah.
I really want to hear them tweet, tweet, tweet. Today, we're going to show you some things to do to save the Earth. Number 1, don't use plastic straws or plastic water bottle. Use water bottles that you could reuse and reuse over again, and straws that you could reuse and reuse over again. Number 2. Don't throw food. Use food to make soil. Ashra, can you gift it? Thank you.
You.
No, yay. You can use it to make soil for the grass, plants, and also trees and flowers. Number 3, plant trees in your backyard. Like this one. The leaves fall down.
Number 4.
If there's anything that is electronic and laying around, and you don't need it, you must unplug it. Good.
Number 5.
Don't drive a car because they could bring pollution up into the air. Try walking and riding your scooters or bike. But you could use the car a little bit, but it could give pollution up into the air. So try sometimes don't use the car.
Number 6.
Eat veggies more than meat. If you like meat, eat a little bit of meat, but eat more veggies. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Right, Ashra?
Yep. Yummy, yummy, tummy.
Yeah, it's so yummy, yummy, yummy. My tummy, tummy, tummy. And guys, we hope you enjoy all of these facts.
Yes.
And guys, we must tell you something. In our neighborhood, we saw lots of trash on the ground and lots of people littering. And that's not good to the earth. So we want you guys to, clean the earth and help our earth be clean. Like we're just helping the earth because we need to make it clean. And earth is the place we live in, guys. And it's important to me and Astra, and then it's for you. We count on you guys to make this earth all clean. And if you see anybody littering, say, no littering. Clean up that and put it in the trash. And if you see lots of litter on the ground and no one's around, just pick it up and throw it in the trash. Yeah. So guys, we hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe, like,